Dear students, Matter, Nature and Behavior, Class 9th. Today's topic is Element, Compound and Mixture. Today we will study element, compound and mixture with examples one by one. So first, elements. Elements are those substances that cannot be further broken into simpler substances by using chemical methods, heat, light, electricity, or reactions with other chemical substances. एलिमेंट्स ऐसे सब्सटेंस हैं जिन्हें और भी छोटे पार्ट्स में डिवाइड नहीं किया जा सकता किसी भी केमिकल मेथड द्वारा, जैसे हीट, लाइट, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी या दूसरे केमिकल्स के साथ रिएक्शन से। हाइड्रोजन इज एन एलिमेंट। सिमिलरली सोडियम, आयरन, कॉपर एटसेट्रा आर आल्सो एलिमेंट्स। Lavoisier was the first to give the modern definition of elements based on experiments. According to Lavoisier, element is a basic form of matter that cannot be broken down into simpler substances by chemical methods. An element cannot be further broken into simpler substances because it is made of only one type of atoms. हम कह सकते हैं कि एलिमेंट्स एक ही तरह के एटम्स से बने होते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कॉपर इज मेड ऑफ ओनली कॉपर एटम्स एंड आयरन इज मेड ऑफ ओनली आयरन एटम्स। एलिमेंट्स आर फाउंड इन सॉलिड, लिक्विड and gaseous states. This is a periodic table of elements. In this, 118 known elements are arranged in systematic manner. Here, elements are arranged in rows and columns with increasing order of their atomic numbers. Now, compounds. There are many substances around us that are formed by chemical reactions between two or more elements in a fixed proportion. These substances are called compounds. The properties of compound formed after a chemical reaction is different from its constituent elements. कंपाउंड्स की प्रॉपर्टीज़ उन एलिमेंट्स की प्रॉपर्टीज़ से डिफरेंट होती हैं जिनसे वे बने होते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वाटर इज अ कंपाउंड विच इज फॉर्म्ड बाय रिएक्शन बिटवीन एन इनफ्लेमेबल गैस हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन गैस विच इज नीडेड फॉर कंबंशन। वाटर एक कंपाउंड है जिसमें हाइड्रोजन ज्वलनशील गैस है और ऑक्सीजन जलने के लिए जरूरी है। बट वाटर इज नाइदर combustible nor does it help in combustion. In fact, it puts out fires. वाटर न तो जलता है और न ही जलने में सहायक है, लेकिन यह आग बुझा देता है। Proust, a French chemist, gave the law of definite or constant proportions. According to this law, a compound always contains the same proportion by mass of its two or more constituent elements. Carbon dioxide, ammonia, and baking soda are some examples of compounds. The constituent elements of these compounds follow the law of constant proportions. H2O 2:1 by volume, 1:8 by mass. 2:16 is the actual ratio of H2O by mass. CO2 1:2 by volume, 3:8 by mass, and the 12:32 is the actual ratio of CO2 by mass. Now, mixture. A mixture contains more than one substance mixed in any proportion and shows the properties of its constituents. Mixture can be separated into its constituents using appropriate separation techniques. मिक्सचर में सब्सटेंस का कोई फिक्स्ड रेशियो नहीं होता और इसे हम अलग कर सकते हैं। एग्जाम्पल, मिक्सचर ऑफ सैंड एंड शुगर, ऑयल एंड वाटर, sugar and water, etc. Now we will study types of mixture. When the constituent components of a mixture are uniformly distributed, then it is called homogeneous mixture. Example, salt and water, lemon juice and water, etc. Uniformly distributed means सभी जगह एक जैसा. When they are non-uniformly distributed, then it is called heterogeneous mixture. Example, sand and sugar, mud and water, oil and water, etc. इसमें हम सब्सटेंसेस को अलग अलग देख सकते हैं और सेपरेट भी किया जा सकता है. Mixture is also classified into solution, colloid, and suspension. Today we have studied elements, compounds, and mixtures. Hope you have understood these topics. If you have any problem or doubt in these topics, you can ask by comment. Thanks for watching our channel Bright Videos. Like, share and subscribe our channel Bright Videos.